How to install CapCut in PCs. Hey guys, today we are going to walk you through the process of installing CapCut on your PC. CapCut is an amazing video editing software and I'm excited to show you how to get it up and running. Let's get started. The first step is to download CapCut for PC. First of all, you need to click on your Windows and then you need to click on Microsoft Store. Once you are here, search for CapCut in the search box and then click enter. Once you click enter, select the app, click on it, and here you will see an option of install. Click on install. Once your download is completed, locate the installation file which is usually in your download folder. Follow the on-screen installation to install CapCut. You may be asked to choose an installation location and create desktop shortcuts. Feel free to customize the setting according to your preference. Once CapCut is installed, you will see a confirmation screen. You can choose to launch CapCut immediately or do it later from your desktop shortcuts. Now the CapCut is installed and running. Let's quickly look at the interface to get you familiar with it. And there you have it. You've successfully installed CapCut on your PC. It's an excellent tool for video editing and I can't wait to see what amazing videos you'll create with it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more editing tips and tricks. If you have any question or if there's any specific tutorial you'd like to see in next, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy editing with CapCut on your PC.